Hi, it's Corinne for the Cut at Home design team, and today I'd like to share some new Spellbinders dies with you. These are the Shapeabilities by Tammy Tutterow, and these two here are the Waterfall 1 dies. One of them has a scallop edge, the other has a bracket shaped edge, and it comes with the scoring already there for you. So these make great waterfalls to add to pages. Here's an example that I did in one of my smash books. And here is the scallop waterfall. So this is great to add journaling to or photos. This one here is the bracket edged. And I'm going to be making one on camera today for a mini album that I'll be working on. It's a 6x6 mini album, and I'm going to just add them to the 6x6 pages that I have already cut out. You simply run them through any die cut machine that you have. They're compatible with most die cutting machines. This set of dies is the Tab Set 2 die, also by Tammy Tutterow, and as you can see, it comes with 6 different shapes for tabs. Here is a bracket edge tab, so that's how it would look on a page. Aren't these adorable? So I'm excited to work with these as well. So let me set this stuff aside and I will cut out my waterfall dies. So I have my Sizzix Big Shot, I have my multi-platform, purpose platform, a cutting plate. I'm using some black cardstock, and I will put my dies in face down, add my second cutting plate, and run those through. And look how beautifully these cut out. So I'm going to cut 4 of each and I'll be right back. So here are 4 of the scallop dies and 4 of the bracket edge dies. And these would be cute to alternate between the two, which I think I may do. And you can cut these out of pattern paper. I chose to cut them out of black paper just to go with my album. And you simply want to score along that first score line. There's 2 score lines there. You want to go ahead and score along that first score line. Use your bone folder, give it a good crease. And we're going to glue it down onto our paper using the next waterfall page. We're going to glue it right up against that. And we're going to do that for all 4, and that will give us our little waterfall book. So first thing I'm going to do is go through and score all of these, and I'll be right back. So I folded all my edges, and here is the paper that I will use in my album. I've already edged this paper in Black Soot Distress Ink using a mini ink blending tool. And now I'm simply going to glue these on, alternating between the scalloped edge and the bracket edge. And I'm just trying to look here how much room I need. I'm going to use some Scotch Quick Dry, add adhesive to this back flap, and then I will also use my T-square ruler. You can eyeball this. Going to try and center it on my page as best I can. And adhere that down. Once that one's in place, I can use that as my guide to add my next ones. So now I just want to bump that flap right up to the top of this one. So I'm going to glue it right up to the top of that one. Again, adding my wet adhesive on the flap. I'll do the same for the last two. Now you really want to give that a good press with your bone folder, and after it sits in your book it'll lay a little bit more flat. If there's any extra glue, just wipe it off. That'll dry clear. And look how quick and simple that was for a waterfall booklet. So now this is perfect to add little photos to. It's perfect for journaling if you prefer journaling. I have a few little photos here that I plan on adding. These are 2x2 photos and they fit perfectly in here. So I'm just going to add those. I'm going to add that one off the side. Now I would simply add this to my mini album. I have other things to work on with the mini album, so I wanted to make this off the album page. But as you can see, that'll fit perfectly on an album page, and you can put your photos however you want. I think I like it better in the middle. So check out the Spellbinder Shapeabilities. Cut at Home also has the Waterfall 2 for sale, and like I said, that one is a pinked edge along with the tag shape, which is adorable. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching, and check out Cut at Home's blog. I'll have lots of detailed photos on there.